Yo, what is up, guys? It's Top City Gaming here today, man, and we just got a super sick store update. I'm going to show you guys a badass tracer pack and everything new that the store has to offer, man, and then I'm going to show you guys some gameplay of that said tracer pack, man. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe, man. I give you guys all the tracer packs, all the super badass shit that they keep giving us in Call of Duty Modern Warfare, man. And furthermore, this is Tracer Pack Freedom, guys. This is a straight up the most American blueprint you can get, man. I believe this thing shoots red, white, and blue tracers. This thing looks fucking sick, if I'm being honest. I love it, man. You get the 1776 M4. You get the Apple Pie Renetti. That looks pretty fucking sick, too. Get the Cheater's Bane Riot Shield. I don't know why they made it so small. Get the Peacekeeper knife. It looks like it's got Abe Lincoln, Roosevelt, Statue of Liberty on it too. Pretty sick, man. Pretty sick. 1812 Overture. That's pretty cool, actually. And then you get the 4th of July pack, man. You get a Weekend Warrior D skin, or D-Day skin. He's got some American cargo shorts on. He's got an American Uzi, you know what I'm saying? American do-rag. My guy looks pretty sick. Then you get the Sparkler Uzi. Some of you guys probably already play with this. You can pick it up in Warzone, man. You get the Backyard Barbecue, Origin 12, I believe. You know, all American up. Get the Pew Pew Pew. Oh, he uses finger guns. He looked like he punched him in the kidney and then shot him with finger guns. Stars and Stripes Forever. Gorgeous. And then you get the fucking Keep on Trucking American Eagle skin, bro. Look at that. That is pretty badass, man. Furthermore, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys this pack right here. Tracer Pack Freedom, man. Go ahead and cop that right quick. It's going to be some gameplay rolling to this, man. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button for me. And I appreciate you guys watching, man. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Tracer Pack Freedom, guys. I am super excited to show you guys this bundle, man. This thing is sick. I did some shooting with it in the pre-lobby, man, and I gotta say, it's probably my favorite Tracer Pack so far. I'm a huge M4 guy, huge AR guy. M4 is probably my favorite gun in the game. So to have a sick-ass blueprint like this come out for the M4 is awesome, man. I got people on me, so you know what that means. Soldier incoming. Woo. Oh my god, bro, this thing is crazy. Woo, look at it go, baby. And it's got dual-wield Renettis too, man. I need to pop armor or I'm gonna die. Oh shit, there's someone like right there. No. Get dual wielded, bro. Get dual wielded. This pack is crazy, guys. If you guys are tuning in, make sure you smash that like and subscribe for me, man. This gameplay is awesome. So far already, man. I am enjoying this gun. This tracer pack is insane. Oh, I finally croaked after like 5 kills. This tracer pack is crazy, guys. I don't know if you could see it very well, but it is beautiful, man. Gorgeous red, white, and blue. I love America. Probably not the best time to say that, but this tracer pack is fucking awesome, dude. Hopefully I can touch down and get some more kills for you guys. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe for me, guys. I really do try to give you guys the best content whenever we get something or whenever something new drops in the game, man. Getting shot at already. Who dare shoot at me, bro? Motherfucker. Oh, that's my ass. I should have not had that. Dual wield Renettis, man. It's a great pack, especially if you have the burst mod for it. You can just switch it right to burst real quick and just wreck with it, obviously. M4, I don't really need to say anything. I'm sure a lot of you guys are using it more often since the ground nerf happened. I've been playing non-stop with the M4 lately, so this gun's badass, man. It is super badass. I do have a lot of M4 blueprints, so I'm probably going to change how the gun looks a little bit when I do get, once I do get done with this video for sure. Probably put some of the white noise attachments on it, just to make it look a little clean and how I like it, you know what I mean? Super sick though, man. Super sick. I'm very glad that they are coming out with some just content like this, man. I mean, this is some next level shit they're pushing out here for us, guys. Alternating tracer rounds with dismemberment.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
He's coming for me, I know. You come for me all you want, but I got America on my side, dog. Come at me with your custom kilo while I'm repping America out here, baby.
Enemy soldier incoming.
We ain't worried about you, bro. Do it again. Do it again. That's what I thought, baby. Damn, I just want my C4 and stuff. Quit making me change. It does have a 60 clip on it, guys, so it does have the big clip that you probably want to run this gun with already. I really don't see too many M4 blueprints that don't have the 60 clip on it. I'm gonna run up here and hopefully do some damage to these guys right quick.
Allied cluster strike incoming.
Oh shit. Alright, please let there be nobody up here, please, please, please. I don't want to look. Oh, they're up here. They're up here. They're up here. Doesn't matter when you got America on your side, though. Come up in here, bro. Come up in here.
I found the bag. Your money will be safe there.
Woo. No armor, though. That kind of sucks. It does have the integral hybrid, I believe is what it's called. I would personally take the laser point off of it. Come on, don't play me like that, bro. What the hell? They played the shit out of me right there. Look at how those traces look. That looks sick. They look straight up like fireworks, man. I love this game, man. I do. I really do. They really come out with some great shit, man. I really hope when the new Call of Duty comes out that they really kind of just blend both of the games together, you know what I mean, and just give you the best of both worlds, so you can keep the badass guns like this and all the characters, and hopefully you can run around with like Frank Woods and Mason and all that shit, man. I think that would be absolutely insane. Oh, control lag, damn it. But I really do. I hope they let you run around with Black Ops guns, Modern Warfare guns, you know what I mean? Every blueprint you've ever bought. I think that would be honestly really fucking sick. Still in first, even though I keep losing money. My bad, teammates. Probably don't matter. One of my teammates don't have any money. So, I mean, who cares about money when you're trying to show off this sick, badass gun, right? all I care about. What a weenie.
Into the AO.
Scared if I step out of here again. You can run, but you can't hide from America, my guy.
Next objective located. Soldier
What do
incoming.
you think you're doing over here, brother? Think you're gonna run up on me? Think that's gonna go well for you? Oh, this guy's got the red tracer pack, huh?
Overhead.
Kill.
Oh, he doesn't. He's got black bear. Black bear, the first tracer dismemberment pack? I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the Talon skin, so if you guys do know that, let me know in the comment section if that was the first pack with tracer and dismemberment, because those look like red bullets. We got a new landing spot, it looked like. We're still going downtown, though. It's not too far, guys. Trying to give you guys the best gameplay I possibly can with this thing, man. Show you guys how it really looks and how it plays, man.
Allied
It's a
cluster
great
strike
gun, man.
incoming.
Great gun. I'm sure I don't need to introduce you guys to the M4 in any sort of way. M4 has always been one of the best guns you can get in any Call of Duty, really, if I'm being honest. M4, M16. Basically the same thing. I know a lot of games make the M16 a 3-round burst gun.
Contract complete. All supply boxes located. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Woo! Get double Renetti, bro. Oh, god damn it. Go ahead and kill me, bud. You ugly ass FAL. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what your favorite tracer pack is and why. I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to say the Grau 556 because obviously the Grau is very overpowered, man. Or was. I haven't played with it since the update because I'm sure it'll get nerfed again, man. I remember when the M4 was first a fucking monster. They nerfed it like 3 times in a row, so
Allied cluster strike
let me know, man. Let
incoming.
me know what your guys' favorite is. I'd have to say mine is this one. Or a tie between the Nikto Take No Prisoners bundle, man. That gun is sick. The skin is sick. I still use the Nikto Take No Prisoner skin. I am running around with the Russian with an American gun right now. But, you know, I dig it.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I see a UAV. Oh, shield turret. Not cool. Oh my god, you're still just camping down there, bro? What the fuck? What a loser. God damn, that scared the shit out of me, dude.
Allied
Who
cluster
just
strike
camps like
incoming.
that, man? Fucking hey, dude. I'm coming for you, buddy. Not cool, bruh. Not cool. Oh, now he wants to leave. Alright, bud. Alright. I'm still coming. For any of you guys who were wondering why I just stemmed running up the stairs, stems
Next objective located.
do make you run quicker, man.
Enemy dropping into
That guy's
the AO.
definitely just sitting right there, so I'm not gonna run up there. Oh, you fucking weenie. America, baby. America. Oh, no. Oh, no. This fucking guy again, bro. I don't like you. I don't know what your name is, but I really don't like you in that fucking ugly-ass FAL that you think you're beasting with because you like to camp with it. I hate you, brother. I hate you. My teammates are clutching this on the money, though, man. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we ended up winning this game. If I was playing a little more, not trying to kill everybody, you know what I mean? But, let's be honest, that makes for a terrible gameplay, right? I think I'm just going to drop on these guys. There's some shooting over here. You up in this crane, buddy?
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Not up in the crane.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
So I don't know how old a lot of you guys tuning in are, man, but back in the day in GTA 4, there was this mod, man. It's called the firework gun, and it basically turned every gun into the game kind of in like a fireworks machine. Oh, what the hell? And you could basically run around with like an M4 like I got now, and it would shoot fireworks everywhere, and it was pretty badass. And that's really what this reminds me of right now. And there's a whole ass war zone going on right here. You gotta pick up my gun. Come on, Plunder. Let me back in here, man. I got people to kill now. Aw. It's alright, bro.
I will drive it.
You're a loser, dog. Long shot, baby.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Now I'm out of ammo.
UAV overhead.
Enemies here.
Enemy dropping into
Definitely
the
just
AO.
heard somebody shooting like right next to me.
I see the device.
Shooting my teammates, bro.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yo, so like I said earlier, man, make sure you guys smash that like and subscribe button for me. I am usually one of the first people to upload these things, but I know a lot of you guys wait for the more famous guys to go ahead and upload them. You know, I don't blame you.
Move
But,
to the next area and secure the perimeter.
Yo, where the fuck is this dude? But like I said, I am usually one of the first to upload these tracer packs, stuff like that, man. Get off that. Alright, 2 UAVs. I'm about to go crazy. Where are these guys at? Oh, now he's off. Now he's off. You fucking camper, bro. And of course it's goddamn Talon skin. I hate you, Talon. It's alright, homie. You're doing good with your MP7, brother. You're doing great. Somebody's about to drop in on your shit, though. I'm coming with the Team America gun to save you, brother.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Maybe you don't need saving.
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
You don't need me.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Somebody in shipment's about to get it, though.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Or maybe this is vacant, or vacant. I think this is vacant. Come on, let me get to him.
UAV is out of fuel.
No.
Allied cluster strike.
Alright, you guys. This is Tracer Pack Freedom, man. It is a Tracer Pack that alternates with red, white, and blue. Like I said earlier, make sure you guys smash that like, subscribe button for me, man, and I appreciate you guys watching.